Alright, we're going to do this together on part 2. I just went ahead and drilled that hole out. Basically all it is to lock it in place. So we're going to go ahead and slide the shaft out and look at it together. Now I can grind this down and make it all pretty again. That's cool. So now I can actually fix the button, which is just one long shaft, so you know what I mean. And the spring is still in there. You want to try to get that out? Let's try to get that out. Don't want to take it out if it's not going to come out. I'm not going to take it out because it's not wanting to come out. And it says surface rust on it. I'm going to keep it in there and just clean it up. Now what I can do is put it in my bucket of solution here. And I will let that sit for 24 hours. This is my parts cleaning bin. Of Evaporust. I might as well go ahead and put this in there too. I'm going to make that all nice looking. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this side in first. That's the worst. It's just going to take the surface rust off. Maybe a quarter of an inch of the surface rust. Now, this is what was in the, not much. That was the rest of the cotter pin. It's not a cotter pin, it's just a shaft pin that links its way into each of these grooves. So yeah, alright man, guys, that is part 2 on Sears Suburban push button repair, which there ain't no videos out there, so I thought I'd make one. It's pretty simple, very easy, it's very convenient. Just get a cotter pin, not a cotter pin, but shaft pin, put it in place, and go from there. I'll do a video on that too, but I wanted to make a video on how it was coming along. So, alright guys, appreciate it.